Hey friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Vanice. If you are returning, welcome back. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? Nice to see you. I hope you subscribe, love my videos so I can continue to give you this popping content. Yes, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, y'all, so that you do not miss any more videos from me going forward. Getting right into this get ready with me hair and makeup, I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe my forehead, any sweat, any oil. This is the Body Wave Brazilian hair from my hair collection that I sell. Yes, look at that closure, look at that lace. What lace? It is a frontal. I made this wig. It's 2.5 bundles in a frontal. I believe the inches is about 24 inches if I'm not mistaken, but I absolutely love this hair. I did relaunch my hairline. I have a better quality hair. And I just really love how the Brazilian body wave just waves up and actually maintains its body. Like, it maintains its waves and maintains its body while tangling and shedding like little to none. I absolutely love it. But anyways, you guys will see how much I love it throughout the video. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this wig. I'm not going to do nothing too crazy. As you can see, I didn't do the ball cap method. I'm not using any type of lace glue. I'm actually just going to use a very simple method that you guys probably have seen along the YouTube channel or Instagram. I'm actually going to use the Got2b spray. Got2b spray, it's a really good spray for temporary hold for your lace wigs. Like, I like to take my wigs off every single night. I cannot sleep in it, so I literally just go ahead and spray that Got2b on and just rock my wig for the day, and that wig ain't going nowhere. I promise you, it ain't going nowhere.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright, let's get into this makeup, y'all. Let's get into this makeup, boo. Is it just me, or like you like makeup, you love the way it look, but you don't really want it on your face? Cause, you know, I'm like, do I really want to do this? Look at my skin glowing. I don't know. For you, I will. For you guys, I will. Let's get into it. I'ma do it. I really didn't want to do it, but I'ma do it, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face with Milk Primer. To be honest with you, I love Milk Primer, but I think my skin, the way it's so oily, I need to double prime. So I just use a dime size, and I'm just gonna go ahead and rub that into my face. It's really smooth. I love it. It's not greasy. It's super soft, and it kind of leaves like a silky finish, and I like that. I like that. So yes, let's go ahead and moisturize and get your eyes underneath your eyes. Go ahead and lift your head up, moisturize upward to keep the skin tight, and fix your crown, girl. Okay. Yes, strike a pose. You look good. Flawless. Okay, let's go. So I got my beauty blender that I got from Sephora. I'm going to use my Maybelline foundation. I believe it's in the color Coconut. I'm not sure. I'm going to leave that in the description down below. So I'm just using a little bit, you know, not too much. This is a great matte foundation. It does give me full coverage. So I'm just going to go ahead and dab that on. Okay, disclaimer, guys, I'm not a makeup artist. I'm not a professional makeup artist. I don't claim to be one. This is really just an effortless makeup look. I decided to just, you know, start filming and to beat my face and just get ready so that I could film for you guys on how I do my makeup. And actually, I do my makeup better when I'm not on camera. This was really hard to do. The brows was definitely the hardest to do on camera. I'm actually gonna leave a couple bloopers in this video because I want y'all to see the real deal, see how hard it really is. But, you know, I really wanted to put this content out for you. So hard or not, I'm gonna get this job done. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and you know, fix up my brows. And you know, I already put my little concealer underneath my eyebrows. I did use again the LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Fawn. I'm gonna leave all the descriptions down below. I promise you guys, I will definitely do that. But again, I'm not a makeup artist, so I'm just doing this just to do it. Like, it's some things in this makeup look that I could have done better. But at the end of the day, we are going to have us a chocolate donut, okay? All right, I promise we will have a chocolate donut at the end. Errors, mistakes, trials, whatever, is gonna come out looking like delicious, scrumptious, okay? All right, y'all, promise. Okay, so here I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I don't remember the color, but again, I will leave that all down below. I believe it's Fawn, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm just going to go ahead and conceal my eyes. You guys know the drift, you know, highlight, contour. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Highlighting, contouring. So this is a makeup tutorial for beginners. Anyways, I'm still gonna look beat at the end of the day. So I'm just going in with my I'll also leave the description of this product down below as well, but I am going in with that, and I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my cheeks, contour my forehead. Y'all get the drift, all right? Yeah. I know I did not blend my forehead. Don't worry, I realized it a little later on when I went to the bathroom and I fixed it up. But all right, so I'm going to use my black Radiance contour palette. This has a contour, sculpt, and highlight section and color included. It's powder, so I'm just going to go over every section that I highlighted and contour with the powder and just set it. So I'm going over my under eyes to set that highlight, and then I'm gonna go on my cheekbones and set that contour in my forehead as well. So yes, honeys, keep watching so you can see this glaze donut is coming all together. clearly I like sticking my tongue out, and also I'm loving my makeup and how it's coming together. I'm still over here just going over my contour with my powder, and on my brows I'm just going to use the highlight from the same black radiance palette and just kind of give my eyebrows like a little pop right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some highlight on my nose as well. You know, can't go without that. Add it on my cupid's bow and just on the bridge, just right there. Yeah, right there. Right there. Can't get enough of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just touch it up, blend it, and you know, kind of dust it all off. I'm not using translucent powder. I actually have to go and get me a translucent powder. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dust this powder off all my highlight and contour and kind of just bring everything together again. Alright, so I'm using a brown lip pencil for my lippy. I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips up for the lippy that I'm getting ready to do. The lippy is going to be like a really brown caramel type of lippy, and the lips that I use, it is from NYX. It's actually with their Sweet Chateau collection, and this is in the color deep rooted, guys. So this is deep rooted that I'm using from NYX in their Sweet Chateau collection. I got this from Ulta about a couple of months ago. I'm not sure if that was like a limited edition collection, but you can check your local Ulta out. Also, what I'm going to go ahead and do is use my Fawn concealer and just go ahead and highlight the middle of my lips. This is going to give me that nice caramel look that I'm going for. I wasn't really going for this look, but let's try to fix that up. Yeah, it's not really working out the way I wanted to, but it's definitely gonna come together, guys. Watch and see, because you know, in this video we're just making everything come together, because that's just what you do. You improvise, you fix it up, you don't doubt yourself, and the final product is going to be the bomb glazed donut, chocolate glaze, chocolate frosting, whatever you like, but I like chocolate. There's a little foundation around my lips just to kind of bring everything together. It looks much better now, but it is a little ashy looking. So I'm gonna go in with some lip gloss from the beauty supply store. It's coconut oil lip gloss, I think from Ruby Kisses, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that on top so we can get that glossy look that we need. So this is really gonna bring out the caramel in the lips. Just go ahead and add your favorite clear gloss on top of it, and you know, just let it kind of sit in there. Now we're gonna jump right into the lashes. Yes, y'all. So this is actually the second hardest part doing on camera, lashes. So I'm just gonna get right into it and put these lashes on. I'm sure y'all know how to put lashes on. If you don't, like this video, leave a comment down below, and I'll do a separate tutorial on how to put some lashes on, because I be really putting my lashes on. Yeah, I be really putting them on. But leave that comment down below, y'all. Alright, so I went off camera, fixed up that hair and that part. So I did a center part, and I'm just going to go ahead and comb the curls through and just, you know, fix it up, make it a little neater. And yes, y'all, so again, I'm really loving this hair. It's so bomb. I forgot to set my makeup, so I'm going to go ahead and set it. I still don't think I realized that I didn't do my forehead, but I promise you, before the end of this video, I'm going to get that forehead right. I'm going to get it right. I'm going to get it right. I'm going to notice it when I go in the bathroom, and I'm gonna be like, what the hell? But as for right now, let's fix this hair up. So although I did go ahead and spray the Got To Be on, because the hair is wet, and I knew that, I really cared about the middle, but I knew that anyways. Because the hair is wet, it didn't stick on the sides, and I'm okay with that, because I don't care. It's just the middle that I'm worried about. And the middle is laid and melted. If I was doing a side part, I would have took more initiative and put in more effort to make sure the sides stuck. But nah, I'm gonna keep the edges, because it's not about the sides, it's about the middle. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and fix up this wig and scrunch the curls up a bit. You know, and get it, you know, looking flawless. Yeah, let's take some pictures, y'all. So, of course, last minute I realized I did not add the most important part on the frosting. I did not highlight, so I'm going to highlight right now. I'm using Maybelline Chrome Highlight. I'll leave the exact shade down below. But yeah, we can't forget this step, y'all. Let's go ahead and add some highlight. That is the frosting, that's the top, and that's what's gonna get this whole thing glazed. And this is the back of the hair. It is slowly drying, but look at that wet look. I just love it. Ew. Thank you so much for watching my video. I love y'all. I love your support. And please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. Thank you. See you next time. Mwah.